In this quick tutorial, we will show you how to create a storage or source where you keep your inventory. Let's navigate to the Workplaces tab and click on Sources. Click on Create. Let's fill out the name and address. Additionally, you can select it on the map. If we tick the Artificial Supplier box, we are labeling a supplier that is not using the app for their inventory. If work tracking is turned on, employees will get a warning if they clock in outside that area. You can easily filter out your storages and sources with these options. When it comes to a mobile storage, like a van or truck, it is created the following way. Navigate to Items and click on Manage. Select a storage where you want to add this vehicle. Select a type, Vehicle. I will pre-fill all the information for the vehicle now. After we fill out the information that we need, tick the option, This item has its own storage. You will receive notifications like for any other vehicle in regards to fuel and registration. This can also be done by editing an existing vehicle. Now our mobile storage will show up under Sources. Since they are mobile, we cannot enter the address. When it comes to additional options, we can view the location. We can edit the information that we entered originally. When we archive a source, we need to transfer all inventory to a different one. After the inventory has been transferred, we can archive the source. To reactivate a source, click on Archived and then Activate. Transferred items need to be returned to the storage after reactivating it. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Let us know if you have any questions or suggestions.